Hi everyone, let's make this flower bouquet. First we are cutting the petals using pink craft paper. Cut 5 petals and paste all of them around this green stick. Pull it upwards, paste this yellow flower at the center, paste leaves and fold the blue craft paper and it's ready. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make it. We are going to cut the base of the paper cup. Now cut 5 cm petals and then we are going to cover the base of the paper cup. After one round, paste glue and repeat the same process. Remove the flower, it's done, and roll a green clay, make a stick and dab all of them together and look, it is ready. Let's make these beautiful flowers using clay. We are mixing 2 different clay for the perfect texture. After this, make small pieces, make balls and combine all of them together and your flower is ready. After this, we're going to dab it inside this green stick. Put all of them on the sponge. Make more such flowers. Make a bouquet by rolling it and look, it is ready. Look at this colorful tree. Let's make it. We need this empty grape stem and make colorful balls and put all of them around the grape stem like this. Now roll another clay. We are making a pot here, so paste all of them on this box and it's ready. Put pebbles inside it, fill it with clay, dab all of them together and it's ready. Let's make clay flower bouquet. For that we are going to cut the bottle into half, fill it with clay and tissue paper, keep it aside. Now roll pink clay, press it. We are going to make 8 petals and roll all of them together and your rose flower is ready. Similar way we are going to make the leaves. Paste all of them on the top of the plastic cup and look, your flower is ready. We are also covering it using tissue paper or you can use mask and look, your bouquet is ready. We're going to make this beautiful rose bouquet. Cut this plastic cup, fill it with clay and tissue paper, keep it aside. Now make 8 clay balls, press them and roll all of them and make a beautiful rose flower. Make more such rose flowers. Similar way we're going to make leaves and paste all of them on the top of this empty bottle. Now we are making dots on the tissue paper. Fold it and cover it and your bouquet is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.